Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just some late night browsing at Dollar Tree, seeing if they had anything new, checking out some of the Easter stuff because the first time I came they were just barely putting it out. Lots of like little decorative styrofoam eggs and little kits. That's like a bunny butt banner. And then lots of like little like kits, for kids. Bunnies. Here's some erasers, bunny erasers. I think those are repeats from last year. You can make charms with those. Lots of like fun little Easter basket ideas and goodies. And then they got like little gold eggs down there. And then they had cute little like bunny bags. And then look at these bunny bags. Look at the ears, the floppy little ears. Those are super, super cute if you do any Easter swaps or for Easter basket. Love those, super cute. Then they had wood that you could paint, little like baskets, little bunny Easter egg dyeing kits, of course. And then they had like some Easter baskets and then all of those styrofoam pick style eggs, some more gold eggs. They had these cute little like clear carrot shaped eggs. They had these ones. These are super cute for like a mermaid swap. They're little white iridescent shell eggs. I guess not even an egg because they don't look like eggs. Cute little bunny ones. Chicks, some clear bunnies, or pink clear, I should say. Metallic ones, glittered ones, sports ones, metallic Easter. Did I say all that? Then they had these like little two-piece eggs that you put together, like a bigger style egg. This was like a metallic blue. And then this one was like a golden egg with the clear top. And then some more. This is like more like Easter decor, all that particle board style decor. Lots of cute little Easter ones. And then those like wreath style ones that you can hang on your door. Then this ribbon was in like the normal like crafty section, just like pastels and stuff. And this one was new. It's like a pink pom-pom. And the top part of the scallop, I guess, is like rainbow, like an ombre rainbow. It changes throughout the, spool of ribbon, pastels and bigger wide ribbons at the bottom. Then they had the butterfly stickers up here. I remember Michael's back in the day was selling these for like $5.99. Here's some bunny cute little Easter baskets, like a fabric-y one with like the bunny tail. Cute little rainbow bunny. There's the pink version for the girls. And then they had these cute little like welcome signs. It said welcome, laundry, blessed. And I want to say one said like hello or something else. And then you guys, this is the most like little swirly spiral ribbon section I have ever seen. So many different like patterns and themes. They said happy birthday. Some of them had like little party hats. And then thinner ones that said happy birthday, all sorts of different colors and schemes. Look at this one, like a crinkle style one. I've never seen anything like that one before. This one's like a neon style one. It kept going, you guys. I felt like I was at Party City. And then even some of them had like specialty like toppers. For instance, like once you rip off the tag, this one had a unicorn, so that would be like its mane. Then they had a shark one for the boys. I had like a little pirate patch on his eye, super cute. Then they had a cute cupcake one, purples and pinks on this. And then they did have a couple others. They had this gorgeous mermaid one. And then they had a cute little rocket one. All right, bye. Bye, guys. Catch you on the next crafty video.